OPPO is reportedly working on the K13 Turbo smartphone for the Chinese market. This is the first look. The K13 Turbo will have an in-screen fingerprint sensor and a built-in active cooling fan. According to the tipster, the OPPO K13 Turbo will feature a 6.8-inch flat OLED screen that supports a 1.5K resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. The OPPO K13 Turbo will feature the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage. The device's topmost model will offer 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Run on ColorOS 15-based Android 15. It will feature a 16-megapixel selfie camera and a 50-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual camera system. Although no concrete information has been revealed about the battery capacity and fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.